Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to histology, identification points of fibrous cartilage for histology, practical and slide and practical. Now there are three identification points of fibrous cartilage for histology, slide and practical. Number one, perichondrium is absent. In fibrous cartilage, perichondrium will be absent. Second is chondrocyte arranged in rows. In fibrous cartilage, the chondrocytes are arranged in rows. The third identification point is thick type 1 collagen fibers are present in matrix. These are the three identification points of fibrous cartilage for histology, slide and fractal. I already upload the slide detailed explanation video of fibrous cartilage on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video. Now I will upload these identification points also. On my YouTube channel you can find general histology, special histology, each slide detailed explanation video and each slide identification points video also. If you like my video, press the like button and share this video with your friends. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button and also press the bell icon to open the all notification in order to you receive my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.